Who was on top in the scuffle that preceded George Zimmerman fatally shooting Trayvon Martin? Defense attorneys hope jurors will buy their version of events, that Trayvon Martin was on top of Zimmerman when he shot the 17-year-old, and consider it as proof the defendant feared for his life, shooting Martin in self-defense. So what actually happened? Witnesses have given contradictory accounts, but the defense had in its pocket respected forensic pathologist Dr. Vincent DeMaio.
That the clothes, as you bend forward.
In his analysis, the muzzle of the gun held by Zimmerman was pointed up against Martin's clothing, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches from Martin's skin.
This is consistent with Mr. Zimmerman's account that Mr. Martin was over him, leaning forward at the time he was shot.
The prosecutor, John Guy, counters that if Martin was in that position, Zimmerman's contention that Martin was reaching for his gun just doesn't make sense, that the gun would have been blocked by Zimmerman's leg.
Where would the gun be now?
Now the gun would be behind your left leg.
Okay.
The prosecutor also tried to show that Martin may have been trying to back away when Zimmerman shot and killed him. Defense attorney Mark O'Mara used the same mannequin to demonstrate how, in Zimmerman's version of events, Martin was banging Zimmerman's head against the pavement before he was shot.
If somebody was resisting me pushing down like this.
I believe so. I believe it was a culmination of downward force, whether it was from pushing or striking.
What did witnesses in the trial say? Accounts varied. Apparently, no one had a clear view of Zimmerman or Martin's faces. Neighbor Selma Morris testified she thought Zimmerman was on top of Martin. Another witness said the same, but neither was there before the shot was fired. The person who probably had the best vantage point, John Good, said he saw a tussle near his yard and the person on the bottom had lighter skin. He said it was Martin on top, but didn't see Zimmerman's head banging on the pavement. How important will the who's on top question be to jurors? We don't know until after the trial, but most legal analysts expect it will be central to their deliberations as they decide whether Zimmerman's actions, shooting an unarmed 17-year-old, was warranted. That's the short answer.